Hey people, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. Alright, so if you're here new, you're welcome. Okay, now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to use this very simple ingredients, egg, banana and other ingredients, to get that soft baby and wrinkle free skin, and to remove all of those wrinkles. Now, one thing that actually makes wrinkle appear on your skin is stress, smoking, and doing all of that other unhealthy things that actually is not good for your skin. So wrinkles will definitely come out from on your skin. So when you are actually scrubbing, especially with this natural ingredient, it's going to help your skin to glow, and it's going to make your skin stay hydrated, most importantly. So we're going to be needing to use banana, and we're going to be using just one banana. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab my small mortar. I'm gonna cut this banana into the mortar. I would have actually just blend it, but I would prefer to pound it this time. So after doing that, then I'll have to mash it and pound it. Okay, so I'm going to be turning the mashed banana into the bowl. So the very next ingredient, which is very important in here, is egg. Okay, and the egg white in here is going to help to tighten up the skin, and it's going to help to reduce the appearances of wrinkles and fine lines. Now, the ingredients in this egg white is what we actually need, is what our skin needs basically to polish up and moisturize, tighten and firm the skin. So I have this egg white, which I have opened already. So just the egg white was in there, and then I'm going to turn the egg white into this remedy, and then I'll mix it. Okay guys, so the next and last ingredient for this particular remedy is vitamin E. Okay, you can either use vitamin E capsule or you can use vitamin E oil. Okay, now vitamin E oil is essential when it comes to moisturizing the skin, and when it comes to increasing the skin elasticity. The oil helps to firm up the skin, and it helps your skin polish up, removing age spots. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is that I just put in half tablespoon of my vitamin E. Now, if you don't have this particular one, you can actually use the vitamin E capsule. Okay, is actually still very better and still very good. Okay, so after that, this is it. So I'm gonna be showing you how I'm gonna be applying this onto my skin and how it's going to help firm up my skin and turn my skin to a baby skin. Okay, so let's go. Let me apply it. Alright guys, so this is it. Okay, so I kept it for like some minutes, and the top of it is actually changing color. It's actually perfect, no problem. When you stir it just like this, it's going to, you're going to see that it's going to get fresh again. Okay, so what you're going to do here before you apply this, you're going to be getting water to wet your face. So you're going to wet your face with water. Yeah, first of all, now the reason for wetting your face with water is so that your skin on your face can be actually very soft enough to receive this treatment, and so that when you apply this, it's going to get into your skin and actually work really well. So you have to wet your face before you apply it. You can apply it with anything. Like me, I'm using my brush, and I'm going to be looking this direction because I have a mirror here. So you have to apply this generously onto your face. Okay guys, so after you apply this is how it's going to be looking like. It's going to be looking really shiny and all of that. Okay, so what you do is that you're going to be massaging it. Like, it feels really soft massaging this thing, okay, onto your skin. It feels really soft massaging these things onto your skin. Okay, and then what you do now is that you massage it in a circular motion, just like this. Okay, just like this, a circular motion. Okay, so the reason why you have to massage this is that the skin actually needs a whole lot of massage. Okay, and the massage alone would actually help your skin stay hydrated. It will actually help your skin stay youthful. Okay, and then the ingredients would penetrate the skin very much, literally. Okay, so that's actually how you're going to be doing it. And also for this particular ingredient, smells good. It is actually not an ingredient you're going to keep for so long. You can actually apply it 3 times in a week, but you can apply it 3 times consecutively, like today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, and then you discard it. Now you have to store this into a refrigerator so that it does not go bad. You have to seal it. You can even put it in a container where you would have to seal it, okay, so that hair will not enter, so it will not go bad. Keep it cool, you know, and then you use it for 3 days. Every week you make another one. Every week you make another one. It's literally gonna make you stay young, stay healthy, stay flawless, and stay youthful. Okay, so that's that. All right, so what you do is that you have to use a warm water, okay, to remove this treatment onto your skin. Okay, before that, before you use the warm water, you have to use a hot towel, just like mine, you know, and then you use it to clean your face for like 1 minute. Okay, clean this ingredient out and use the hot towel to clean your face. Guys, this is an amazing ingredient. Now after which you've cleaned your face, man, you see how my face is looking? My face is looking so flawless, and honestly very smooth, okay, and very soft. So you do this 3 times in a week and your skin, your face, your body is gonna be looking so yummy. Like, you can also apply this treatment onto your neck, your hands, and your body. So it's not just for the face, okay? So guys, if you do love this video, do give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video.